Hey everyone, good morning. It's another day up here on Mockingbird Hill, but I am not on the hill this morning. I am currently at one of our local nature centers to take in some fresh air and do a little self-care this morning by being outside and just enjoying it. It's about 40 degrees today, and so I thought, I gotta do it. I've gotta get outside. So I'll take you along. If I see anything cool, I will let you know. But I was wondering, what are you guys doing for self-care? For me, I need to be outside, and so that's what we're gonna do today. Here's just a little bit of the trail I'm walking. Even in the winter, there's a natural beauty. Here is some really beautiful work. There's not a sign to say, but I would assume it's a chainsaw carving. I don't know if there's a way to tell that, but wow, just look at that. Somebody's pretty talented. They found some canes. They've got some thorns on them. Let's see if we can get it to focus. Oop. It's got kind of a interesting stem. There we go. I'm wondering if this isn't some sort of wild rose or a berry. If anyone knows, please leave an answer down in the comments so I could figure it out. It's very interesting to me. We've got some thistle here. This is quite interesting for winter interest. Look at those thorns down there. I would not thorns, but prickles. Oh my goodness. Not want to get into that. A lot of winter interest out here. It's beautiful. We've got some cool paw prints here. Looks like a dog. I wonder if it's like a coyote. That's pretty awesome. Now this is really cool. I love this flagstone, I think that's what they call it, type of pathway. This is something I would like to do at our house, probably out to the chicken coop. We've got some plants sleeping. I love this flower border they made. That would be something cool to replicate at the house. Back there is the little pond and a waterfowl viewing area. It's pretty neat. I'm not gonna go back there today, but I did want to document this pathway. I love it. Definitely have to add something like this at the house. Look at this little guy. Zoom in and see if you can see him a little better. Hi, buddy. What are you doing? I love squirrels. My dogs do not, so we don't have too many up on my hill, but definitely cute. Hey, buddy. And off he goes. He must not have wanted to be on camera. There is a little bit of bird song that I wanted to document. I do love hearing it, especially in the winter. I don't know if you can hear it over the traffic, but I'll quiet down so we can listen. Got a little bit more squirrel action. I can find out where he went. He was just on that horizontal tree that had fallen. Is that a chickadee? Off he goes. What is that beautiful bird? Oh my goodness. And the camouflaging is excellent. I can barely see him. Wow. What is that? It's beautiful. We've got another chainsaw carving. I'll just call it that. I assume it probably is. Beautiful. The trail I'm on is called Woodpecker Way. There's not a sign, but I wonder if that's not what this bird is. Somebody is really talented. I had to zoom out to show you this. This is really beautiful. I do not know what this tree is. I can get a close-up view of the leaves. But you know, I'm liking that it holds onto its leaves in the winter, and they're such a pleasant color. And with the multi-trunk, that could be a really nice addition to the lawn. Provide some winter interest. Let's see if I'll get a better picture of the leaves. So if anyone knows, they can let me know. I can be on the hunt to add this to our landscape up there on the hill. Be still, my heart. Look at these raised beds and look how they've made a place to sit while you're weeding or planting. I don't know who built this, but I love it. That would be something great to replicate. Got a compost bin. Other raised beds. Here's another beautiful one. Is this maybe a heron or a crane? Not really sure. How nice. Well, that'll do it for today. I have really enjoyed spending this time outside. It was cold. I got to see some squirrels, some birds, as you know, and actually, if you caught it in the last clip, there was a woman in the greenhouse, and I spoke with her for quite a while. She's a volunteer here and was telling me about all sorts of awesome volunteer opportunities that the kids and I could take part in. So I'm pretty excited about that and hoping to add that to our list of things to do. Yeah, it was just great. It was just great. It was a great time. I think this is going to be a great day. Thank you for watching. Thank you for coming along with me. And I hope you have a great day too. All right, we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.